In today's video, I will show you how to lower ping and fix lag in Roblox on PS4. If you'll find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tips. The first step is to power cycle your home network. Unplug your modem or router for 30 to 60 seconds, plug it back in and wait for it to fully reset. Test Roblox to see if your connection improves. If lag persists, press the PlayStation button on your controller, navigate to Settings, then Network Settings, and then set up internet connection. Wired connection is always recommended for faster and more stable internet. If using Wi-Fi, select Use Wi-Fi, then Custom. Highlight your Wi-Fi network and cuss the option button. Wi-Fi frequency bands. If your PS4 is close to the router, choose 5 GHz only. If it's far from the router, choose 2.4 GHz only. Go back and select your Wi-Fi network. Now you need to set IP, DHCP and DNS settings. These are all shown on your screen, and these are your final settings of MDU, and you need to set it to automatic and proxy server. You don't need to use it. So save your settings by selecting Next, then test your internet connection. Once the test is complete, launch Roblox and check if the lag has decreased and your ping has improved. And that's it. That's how you can lower ping and fix lag in Roblox on PS4. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.